My video is dedicated to help you get rid of the pop-up windows by the site on freeads.com. On freeads.com is a new dangerous site that may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make you click on allow, supposedly to help you verify that you are not a robot, but to click on allow is truly a mistake, which would hijack the browser with plenty of intrusive advertisements. In case you don't want to see these ads, you need to get your browser fixed. So access the menu, go down to settings, select privacy and security, then site settings, and in permissions choose notifications. So remove the junk sites from the list. If you find these junk sites on the list, carefully, one by one, get rid of these junk sites. I also recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and then start carefully researching the system to detect and remove other infections. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on the Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.